Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the fillet tool. So, notice that in the features, there's also a fillet, but Sketch also has a fillet tool. So, the fillet is good for when you have a corner in like a rectangle and you want to add a little curvature to the sharp corner you have. And whether you do it in feature or sketch, part of that can be up to your preference. But usually, yeah, it just depends on case by case. Sometimes if you're creating certain bodies, like you're extrude bossing something, it might be easier to just fill it the body. So sometimes it comes down to preference. Other times it's like a style or just how you want to control your design. Sometimes you have a little bit more control in the sketch than the features. So a little bit case by case. So let's go ahead and create a top sketch. So let's say I made a triangle here, right? Now this fillet tool will show up, and notice the fillet you have a chamfer and fillet. So with the fillet, what you do is you click the corner, and notice that you could change the radius of this. Okay, so for the functional purpose of a fillet is just to have like a corner that's rounded, because sometimes you just don't want to have a sharp corner. Chamfer is another way you can do it. So chamfer, what it does is it'll specify the amount of distance it takes in the x and y, and it'll just make a cut right along or right across it. Okay, so that's the difference between a chamfer and a fillet. And then from like a manufacturing standpoint, a chamfer is usually much easier to make than a fillet. So if you don't need a fillet, go with a chamfer. Okay. But in terms of how you create it, it's pretty easy. You also have like the angle distance if you want to change like how steep it is. For example, I don't think it updated just now, but here you could say like angle distance, and maybe you have like 70. Okay. So if I click here, you can see it has a 7-degree chamfer as opposed to this one was a 45. So there's just a couple of different options you can have, right? And most of the time you'll see this 45, but some special cases you might see a non 45-degree angle. Okay, so that was a pretty short one. You learned how to do fillets and chamfers. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.